The most rewarding part of running this firm is really the satisfied clients.
For me, my child is the most important thing in my life. My biggest concerns were making sure that I had fair and equal timeshare with my child, and that deal that we made was going to be fair for everybody.
Seeing the people who finish their case and they've protected their assets, the people who are spending time with their children and are enjoying their lives and they're not feeling like they're being marginalized in their children's lives, that for me is the most satisfying part of running this law firm. We handle all aspects of family law. We focus our practice, we market to men, husbands, and fathers. Clients who are trying to get some type of timeshare with their children, which is the new word for the old custody, because unfortunately men are primarily the payors of alimony in the state of Florida. So we handle domestic violence cases. If somebody's accused of domestic violence, we'll do their defense for them. Pretty much anything in a family law court, we'll help with. My goal for every client is to let them reach their goals.
I was married for 27 years. I don't know how the law works. And one of the things that I didn't know is that if you are married for so many years, you have to pay alimony for your whole life after that. It doesn't matter what. She wanted at least 50 or more % of my salary plus retirement, but everything else. If she had gone through and got what she wanted, I would have had a hard time affording food, let alone having an apartment or something like that. And I needed somebody to help me.
So the focus of our practice, representing men, husbands and fathers, there was a need for someone to be out there who was really championing men's rights in any father. With his children, I absolutely want to make sure that he has a substantial and significant involvement in that child's life or his children's lives. And we try to be as cost effective and cost efficient as possible in what we're doing here through the firm. Unfortunately, there's a misconception in the public that you can get high quality service on a very low budget. That's just not the case. When somebody calls the office, they will speak to one of the paralegals here who will take down initial information from them to make sure that we can even help them in their matters. Sometimes there are jurisdictional issues where the case isn't proper to be brought in Florida. So after they take that initial information, we'll then set a time for them to come in and meet with one of the attorneys in the office. Go through an initial questionnaire with them, talk to them about all of their problems, issues, and strategize with them. We let them know the costs associated with retaining legal counsel, and we really try to give as much information up front so that they can get an idea of what's coming.
As the trial went through the day, I knew he was doing his job well. His ability to come around the questions and getting other facts, I have to say that is very good. And he made it seem like it was so normal for him. I was really amazed to see him in action.
I felt very comfortable. I knew that I had people who had my back and who had my interests in their heart, and I'm happy and very impressed. I'd recommend Men's Divorce Law Firm to any of my friends, that's for sure.